Hello everyone, I am back with another video and today I'm going to talk about divine masculines. This whole video is all about divine masculine, their journey to awakening, and this can be received by any divine masculine in twin flame journey or any divine feminine working on their masculine energy. So, the nature of masculine awakening is very rapid. It could be abrupt at times, and it goes in straight line at times, and it's like ascension. It's like um, you know one realization, and they're like in a loop where they are contemplating their whole lives, and that one realization shifts everything within their life. They're questioning um, literally all the structures, all the teachings that patriarchy taught them, that this world taught them. And it could be very tough, it could be very difficult. In my opinion, the path of divine masculine awakening is way more difficult if we compare with the feminine path, because it is it comes sudden, and it's like one day you are easy, you're chill, you're doing everything at divine pace, and then the other days comes with that one realization that you know that collapses your entire ego structures, old outdated structures. That one realization that can almost overthrow you entirely, and it may look like everything is falling apart. All that you have believed till date has been a lie. This life is a lie. It may also come to you as what is the truth. Even you start looking to understand what is even the truth that you have been searching for. Does that even exist? And eventually you understand when you start to when everything starts to settle down, when this whole storm that came to restructure actually starts to settle down, you understand divine is the biggest truth that is breathing inside you. And from there, the connection to divine is so enhanced that this is eternal bond between you and divine. And at this time your divine feminine is fully surrendered to divine consciousness, to her feminine power, to her womb, to her truth, to the loving truth. And by this point your individuation process starts. You're already in inner union by now. And for some, it may come through separation from their divine feminine. Feeling the separation as a divine masculine, it's the toughest thing, even though you have been feeling it for lifetimes. It's this realization that you have been going through separation. It's one of the toughest thing. For a man in love, separation is something that takes away their life, their breath, even their soul. And I know it in my heart that I've seen it very closely, how a divine masculine goes through when their world falls apart, and it's the most painful thing that I have ever seen in my life. Imagine how we always protect our fathers, that they should not fall sick, that they should always be, as daughters or as sons, we have always in a way protected our fathers more, because we always believe that mothers tend to struggle. They go about their struggles in every daily life, even though it pains us when they are suffering. But suffering of a father, the tears of a father, breaks us apart. And this is not a fake structure, fake emotion that we feel. It's something that when divine masculine falls apart, just like how Shiva fell apart when he lost his wife Sati to ego, how he was all over the place. That's how a masculine falls down. But when everything looks like it's falling apart, things are falling into place. And this is a whole source, divine energy, POV, point of view, that things are falling into place, and it can only be realized with, just when you keep going, and you go about your life, you keep going, and one moment you reach to that truth. You start receiving love from your feminine, from your divine self. You start to understand that what you learned was a lie, but this whole life is not a lie. This whole structure is the old structure, but you are here to build a new one with flow and feminine energy, with base which is based on intuition, which is divine, which is based on divine laws of love, unconditional love, compassion. And you're here to create, to any masculine hearing this, you're here to create a new world. You're here to create a new earth. And if you're wondering how can you work on yourself within this path, to how can you be a better divine father, how can you better be a better divine masculine to your divine feminine, how can you better husband, just one thing that will, make you go miles apart from where you are at this moment, is the need to understand your feminine, to understand her pain, to, understand the world from her lens, that she has been through so much. And having that compassion, holding space for her emotions. Most of the masculines just uh, perceive the emotions with logic, with guilt, with shame within themselves, that I couldn't, with this emotion that you as a masculine cannot keep your feminines happy. But rather than blaming yourself, restructure again. See this, start seeing your divine feminine as, goddesses who deserve everything, who have deserved love all this while but went through so much. And start seeing your inner feminine, most importantly, start seeing your inner feminine as the source of your love. Your intuition is not a lie, it's not an illusion, it's not a, head talking you random things. Your intuition is the ever connected point of divine light that is constantly guiding you towards a better life, towards a better understanding of your divine masculinity, towards better understanding of your divine femininity, towards better understanding of this world, your own divine truth, the truth of your soul, your blueprint. Your intuition will lead you everywhere you are destined to to be, to lead. And your intuition will take you to the places where you're meant to be. Your intuition is one connection point with the divine energy that will soothe your soul. This is what you have been looking for, the peace, the love. The only space from where you can get it is intuition. And trust your intuition, it will lead you to all the beautiful, most beautiful places. Don't fear it. Don't fear it. What if I listen to my intuition? I'll be seen as illogical. I'll be seen a certain way. Intuition is a big gift to divine masculines as well as divine feminine, irrespective of the gender. Intuition is the voice of divine within you, and it breathes in every single being. It's not just you who are listening to intuition. You're not the first masculine. This world judges, yes, but look at Lord Shiva, look at Lord Krishna, look at any um, masculine in a divine form. They always trusted their intuition, they were ever connected to their intuition. So your intuition is not false, it's not a lie, it's not deluding you anywhere. In fact, it's leading you rightly. And if your intuition says that you're worthy of this love, you can make it all happen, it's the truth. So just allow this intuition of you to lead. And I got this space, I got guidance to make this video because a lot of divine masculines have been going through intense falling of old structures. They're wondering if they are born with bad luck, they're wondering if life was ever in their favor, they're wondering the worst. But no, that this tunnel is not the truth. The light at the end of the tunnel is your truth. The divinity that the soft whispers within you tell you about, that is your truth. So align to your truth. And if you need any kind of help, you can reach out to me over Instagram, preferably. And I hope you like this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much. God bless you.